Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear a change on Resso apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Resso apps, and after this, in here, if you wanna clear the change on your Resso music apps, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the me at the bottom. This one, click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the setting icon at the top, and then in here you can swipe down until you can see clear change. This one, click on it, and then in here you can choose yes. Okay, and finish. So that's how to clear change on Resso music apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.